One day he will just, oh yeah, baby, come here, talk to my mama. And make sure that's his mama. Oh.
This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mela, and for today's video is very special because we will be talking about the red flags when you're dating a Nigerian man. So when you're seeing these red flags, don't ignore it too, because you might be entering into a danger zone with your guy. So when you see it, it's up to you if you continue. So the first red flag is when the guy keeps telling you that he's always busy. Are you in a relationship when the guy keeps telling you that he's busy, that he don't have time because he's doing this and that? Are you in a relationship where the guy have only time for you when he wants you to visit him? That like after you go to his place and when you're going home, you'll try to and then when you try to message him and he's not responding again, and then maybe after 2 days he will tell you that he's busy. Everyone is busy. It's not only him, everyone is busy. It's just a matter of priority. If you're not his priority, of course he will not give time to you. He will only message you when he needs you. Because when the Nigerian man really loves you, he will always check on you. Even if he's busy, he will check on you. He will message you, how are you? Like, you don't really need to beg for his attention. He will give it to you. But when he's just there for something, he will just be available when he needs you. So yeah, it's really up to you. I know some women see this sign, but they tend to just ignore it. But it's up to you. It's your relationship, it's your life. So yeah, we're just giving you some signs if he's serious or not. In fact, also with Nigerian man, if you're not responding to their messages, they'll even get angry. Why are you not responding? Some self will call you on video and they will just tell you, oh yeah, show me around. They think that, I don't know what they think, but that's how they normally do. The second one, he keeps on extracting money from you. A Nigerian man was trained, a serious Nigerian man, it would be very, very difficult for him to ask money, because it's like an insult to them. They were trained to be the head of the family, that they're the one that to be taking care of their women. But when the guy is not serious, of course, he's there to extract money from you. A real Nigerian man hardly asks money from his woman. Yes, unless when something happens and the guy has been there for you, like he's been taking care of you when he was still stable or when he has still money, and then suddenly something happened and something happened to him financially. Of course, as a partner, you will help him, you will support him for the meantime until he will get back on his feet. But once the Nigerian man just keep on asking without giving back to you, because the Nigerian man will loves to take care of his woman. So if he's not doing that to you, he just keep extracting money from you. So that's a very big red flag. Yeah, Nigerian man, they work, they dream big and they work big. A serious Nigerian man will take care of you. He will hardly ask for money unless he's broke or he's into financial problem. But before that, of course, the guy has been taking care of you. So if he's not doing those things, that's a very big flag, red flag. The third red flag, when he keeps telling you that his people wants him to marry back home. If your man keeps on telling you about that, his people wants him to marry back home, my sister, don't put your mind in that relationship. Unless you're there for fun, or you're not really serious with your Nigerian man. So yeah, that one is not a problem. Or if you have an agreement about you here and he will go there, those things, yeah, that one will not be a problem. But if you're aiming for a relationship that you want to be with him, like when you get old, that you want to stay with him, and he still keeps telling you that his people wants him to marry back home, and it means that it's like the guy is telling you that both of you have no future together. Yeah, because if he really loves you, he will not say that one to you. And of course, he would love you to go to his country, see his family, know his culture, everything. But once he keeps telling you that, oh, my family wants me to marry back home, this and that, because I'm the first son, a lot of excuses, so it means that both of you has no future. It hurts, but yeah, that's how it is, and it's up to you if you can accept it. Yeah, I know it's not easy, especially if there's a baby involved. That's why if it's still early, and if you don't want that kind of relationship, then you can decide for yourself if you deserve it or not. The next one, when he keeps you out from his family. A Nigerian man loves to bring his woman or engage his woman to his family, know his brothers, his sisters, etc., like his family. But don't be deceivable. Some Nigerian men are very tricky. Yeah, they're very tricky. They'll tell you that they can actually tell you, okay, oh yeah, baby, come here, talk to my mama. So you will relax, because you've been thinking, oh, why until now, why I'm not seeing your mom, I'm not talking to your mom. So one day he will just, oh yeah, baby, come here, talk to my mama. And make sure that's his mama. Because some Nigerian men, they can just call someone, oh yeah, talk to this woman and tell her that you're my mama. In fact, if you want to make sure, you call her video, and make sure you see that person, an old woman that looks like him, or the woman you see them in the woman you see it in the family picture with them, an old woman that calls him my son, because it's very possible that they can just call someone and pretend that you are my mama. But I know some men will react to this, but we all know that it's happening. The last red flag is abusive man. Don't get attached to this kind of person. You will feel like you're not important, you're worthless, your self-esteem would be very low. This abusive man, they know how to manipulate you. When you have that kind of a man, it's better for you to stop and run away. A lot of women see these signs that the relationship is going nowhere, but they want to make it work. And like if the man is disrespecting you, hurting you to the extent that he's bringing woman cheating on you in your face, my friend, it's better for you to leave, because you're just wasting your time and your life. The problem with women, some they think that they can change the man. You cannot change the man though. If he's treating you bad when you were dating, how much more if you're married to him? He can even do worse. That is why I've seen a lot in social media. I've seen a lot of women throw hate about Nigerian men because their relationship didn't end well. They keep saying that Nigerian man is womanizer. They keep saying that they're liars. They keep saying this. They're bad people. Actually, it's you that caused it to yourself. Why? Because from the beginning, you've seen the red flags, but you tend to ignore it because you think that, oh, this man will change. This man will change when we get married, this and that. You can't really change a man. You can't really change a man. A man that loves you will never disrespect you or hurt you. there's no perfect relationship, but the man will do his very best not to hurt you or to disrespect you. But if the man is just doing anyhow, he don't really care if you're hurt or not, that means that the man doesn't value you. So it's up to you if you continue, because in the long run, if you continue that kind of relationship with your man, it will not end up really well. So from the beginning, if you've seen the red flags, it's better for you to stop. So to avoid those stories, to avoid hurt, if you get pregnant, it's very difficult already because there's a child involved. Or if you have a child already, the man can just go everywhere they want. And some men, they don't even support their kids. So they will be busy outside, going to bars, drinking. They don't care if the baby still have food. So if your man is irresponsible, it's up to you if you want that kind of life. It's you will decide. And also to men, if from the beginning you don't love the woman, if you don't have plan for her, don't give her false hope. Don't waste her younger years. Allow the woman to meet the person that can give the love that she wants. Don't block the person that will treat her well. Don't block her destiny in meeting the right person. Nigerian men, though not all, it's the same. Philippine, any nationality, there's always good and bad. Me, I'm married to a Nigerian. A lot of women that are following me also are with Nigerians, and they keep complaining that Nigerians are this and that. So that's why I'm giving you red flags. If you see this, it's up to you if you continue. So women, Nigerian players are very tricky. They're just like treadmill. You think that you're moving. You think your relationship is moving, but you're not going anywhere. So be wise. We're not getting any younger. If you wish that, if you're there for fun, no wahala. But if you want a serious man, that will stay with you until you get old, of course, you need to be very wise. You need to be aware. You need to understand their culture. Actually, there's a lot to consider. But of course, if you love the person, you will learn. For women, always remember, never settle for less. We deserve to be loved, to be treated well, to be respected, and etc. So if you know that you deserve those good things, you can decide for yourself that if you can live and stay. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you get something from it. Thank you for staying with me. It's been a long time since we did a sit-down video. We're very busy with our business. Actually, this is their sample gown. So if you want to buy gown, weddings, office dress, so just visit our Facebook page, Mela Collections PH. So you will see the gowns. So we will try our best. I will try my best as well to do videos. It's been a very long time. So thank you all, guys, for staying with me. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So this is Mela signing off. Bye.